my God, he's freaking. Oh,
Good morning. Welcome, friends. Welcome to Richmond's place. Matt here. Glad to have you here. So today's the day for the roosters. It'll be just Rebecca and I doing this ourselves today. None of the kids are going to be here to help, so but we're only doing 12 of them, so what can go wrong? All right, this is one of the roosters we're taking. Now the trick is to let the ones out that you want to let out and not let the other ones out. So, yep, come on. All right, we got the sheriff and both hens out without letting the roosters out. The roosters that are in here are going to be the roosters that are going to freezer camp today. So we stopped feeding them yesterday morning. We pulled the fruit away, so only the two hens and the sheriff here are getting fed. So these are the roosters that came out of that straight run of 31 I was telling you about. Yeah, today's the day they go to freezer camp, and it's unfortunate because they are pretty, but they don't serve any purpose here. We've already picked out a couple roosters that we plan on keeping to go with the flock. These ones here just aren't going to make it. Well, I don't know, maybe the real pretty one over there. We'll see.
got 13 of these guys. We only need 2. That one's a beautiful one. His name is Jon Snow. All going to be. Look at this beautiful white and brown one right here. Isn't he gorgeous? I might have to keep him. I might have to swap one out because he is a really good looking bird.
Going to determine whether or not all of our hens in there are actually hens, or if we got some roos in there. Because if we got some roos, then they're going to get processed with the rest of the roos today. And another Homestead channel called Renewed Homestead gave us this tip about sexing to be able to tell which ones are male and female. So we're going to try out this technique and see if it works. As soon as we catch one. Oh, Ned, it's okay. Oh my goodness, no way. So that's a hen. Put your hand on back further. See if he stretches it out on his back. That's a hen. Oh, you're so lucky. You're lucky you're a hen because we were going to process you. Okay, so let's see. Let's check out some of the other ones. There you go. Okay, They say to determine the sexes, if it's a female, the female will draw in her legs. If it's a male, their legs will go outwards. So, I mean, I was for sure that this was a male. Maybe it's vice versa. I'm gonna have to look up this video again because I was almost positive that this was a male. But let's try it with the roo. Oh, there we go. I think maybe it's by the way that you hold it. Yeah, well, one's legs in, one leg's out. Yeah, I mean, that's iffy. Like the other one, I think it all depends on how you're holding it. Maybe hold it by the head. I don't know. Well, I guess we're gonna let them live because we're not sure if they are or not. So we're gonna try it with the other roos. Now that one right there, is that one the one that you, we got more than, we got 1, 2, where's the one that you just got? Oh, it was this one, right?
Yeah.
So 2 roos. I guess we're gonna leave in just in case it is a hen, but I'm positive that them 2 are roos, but we'll see. Sorry guys, we didn't mean to disturb you. We're gonna go to the rooster coop, the bachelor pad, and see what happens over here. Hey guys. Oh yeah, be careful, they're gonna try to get out. I got it. Okay, but we know that this is a roo.
Huh?
We know this is a roo. Maybe it's the males that legs go out. We need to grab a female and see.
The legs that go out.
Let's grab a female that we know is a female and see. No, they're supposed to stretch their legs out if it's a male. That's what they were saying, but we're gonna have to look at this again. Let's go grab a female. Cause that can't be a female. There's no way.
That's a rooster.
Well.
I just bet you. You're number 1.
Well, don't hurt yourself, girl. My goodness.
See, hers are staying tucked. Hers are staying tucked.
Let's see what Ned does. We know he's a roo. Ned, we just want to see if you do the leg thing. Calm down.
Okay, we know for a fact that this is a rooster. And this rooster's legs are tucking in. Maybe hold them differently and see if they stretch out.
He's a roof.
We know that he's a roo, but he's only got one drop in one leg. Lay him like this. Put his head down further. His butt up, head down type thing. I don't know. I mean, we can't go.
Drop him.
Well, maybe you just gotta wait for them to drop. So those could be.
The one definitely was talking.
Yeah, but we didn't wait a couple seconds and let's see if she or he dropped it. Yeah, because I'm like super sure that that's a male. But regardless, the ones that if their legs don't drop when we get them out of there, we will give them a reprieve until we see them crow. Oh my God, he's freaking.
These guys are small enough.
Oh, he'll fit right in there. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Got the knife handy? The roosters are a lot skinnier. They don't have a whole lot of meat on their bones, and it's harder to try to get your hand inside of them too. These chickens may have been small, but we are still going to be finding some good use for these guys, like bone broth and soups. We're going to be roasting these bad boys low and slow.